Happy Tuesday. Walking towards the Oaks Mall. I'm gonna have lunch with some of my previous co-workers from the doctor's office. We're going to Cheesecake Factory. I also brought like my bag of stuff because I have some work that I need to finish up, and I have a bunch of errands that I need to run after this. Yeah, let's go have lunch because it is already 12 and I'm hungry. What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. I hope you guys are all doing well. I've been a hermit. I've just honestly just been at home and just working and being productive. The last time I vlogged was Tuesday, and you guys saw from the clip I went to Cheesecake Factory with my previous co-workers, had the kale and quinoa salad with some chicken, which was delicious. But am I the only one who feels that Cheesecake Factory is really overpriced? Because I feel like for that salad it was good, but the price point was just a little bit steep. Now yesterday, which was Friday, was my only real down day. I was gonna head over to Six Flags Magic Mountain or Hurricane Harbor for the afternoon, but that ended up not kind of happening. I just ended up running errands. So today, a ton of cleaning up to do. I also have a couple of videos to film. Hopefully I'll be able to film all of that, because the first thing on the agenda after kind of cleaning up my vanity area, which I will kind of show you guys, it's a freaking disaster. I have to paint my nails because they are looking like a hot mess. Show you guys how the vanity looks after I'm done cleaning. Alright, you guys, so it is already 9:07. It was a very productive day. Filmed 2 videos today, cleaned up. We're going back to Bounce Boba loft because last weekend he really wanted to try out a couple other items on the menu. This place is busy. It's like always packed. We're taking a lot of this home because we got some from my parents. So this is minced pork with rice. We got 2 orders. They're fried chicken mild, which is delicious. Holy crap, this is a lot of food. And then we have this original milk tea, comes with the food. Then my hub's got the taro Oreo. So here's my portion. I just put it in one of the containers because we're gonna take this one home to my parents. We are home now. I have to tell you, the food at Bounce Boba loft was so good. It was a lot of food, I can tell you guys that, and the price point is like really inexpensive for all of that. Have my tea ready, you know, just to kind of help burn some of that oil and like fried food. But you know, even though I'm doing the whole intermittent fasting thing, I'm not gonna kick myself for having food like this. I don't want to be like super strict where I can't enjoy certain types of food. Like, you know, most of the time I'm making like better choices, skipping out on dessert and all that. So having it once a week for me is okay. That's fine with me. I just don't want it to be where it's like obsessive, because I'll just start thinking about boba sweets or something like that. I don't want it to come to that point. I'll eat a little bit of it, but I'm not gonna overindulge in it. So that's how I'm kind of thinking, where my mindset is for my whole fitness journey. Plus I'm also working out consistently past couple of days, so you know, that's a good thing as well. But yeah, anyway, it is already 10:46. I have to edit tomorrow's video and the vlog from the other week. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Wanted to share with you the mess that happens every time I film. So this is from yesterday. I swear to you guys, it was not like this yesterday when I started. I mean, it even trickled all the way down here. It was nice and clean. Even my MacBook and all of this was nice and neat. Even all this stuff over there, it was nice and neat. But this is what we're working with. Hubs and I went